like I've gone down Rainbow Road. Door is locked. Light. I want to go back to the living room. This is so expensive, yet I feel like I've explored too much of it. Let's go visit physically accurate Angel Man. Physically accurate Angel Man. You don't react like sad.
Oh, look at this. Yeah, that's kind of
Back this way.
Stairs.
Wait. You guys haven't done a spiral staircase yet, have you? Have you done a spiral staircase? No. This is something new.
supposed to be to this room now.
Oh, you can close the door. I'm in.
They want to meet you with that.
Oh, that's fair. I haven't used the elevator yet. Hold it. Oh my god, that does actually work. Ah! Dang. Let's just... Let's go for one. I've never used the elevator. I don't know where this leads. And that scares me. I mean, maybe it leads to the house? I forgot. Hey, look at that, I have the face. Oh, it leads to Fred. Also, I might want to do that again, but let's go our way. Oh! Oh, that is cool. I love that. Can I do a steal? I cannot do a steal. Hold up, you're refreshing. You're good. You stay there. Stay. Alright. That is hilarious. I did something stupid. Oh, you can get glasses. It's like I can remake a little combo. We be funkin'. Oh,
I'm sorry.
it's okay. Oh, that fish. No, he's not open. That's sad. I'm sorry, chicken foot. Flashlight it. No, that's more of a dragon claw.
I'll be around too, so if you need any more good pictures, give me a holler. Of course. It looks like SpongeBob's house. I don't think so. I don't remember.
Alright, let's follow the boy. Press the button and he leaves in his house. Never leave the house, boy. Yo, it's Animal Crossing. You be quiet, Mr. Machine. That is cool. Yo, we be leveling mountains. We be creating skies. It's the treehouse. I pressed the button. That did a thing. Oh my god, you can change the color. I'm doing all this for tomfoolery. However, well, I'm technically one person, but I think it'll work. Maybe. Okay. Story of Western imperialism, conflict of the world, metaphorical, very cool in your world. Oh, we're getting double. How to play. Oh, okay, I'm apparently... That did nothing, and I hate that it did nothing. Leave the water. No, that's it. Turn. That did nothing. I'm sad that it did nothing. What am I supposed to do? Oh, can't. So where am I supposed to go? Oh. Oh, okay. Around descend 5 minerals. How do I descend a mineral? Is this a mineral? Is this a mineral? That is a mineral. Okay. Where do you go? Do you go into the portal? Okay, I gotta put the phone down. I gotta focus. I don't seem to be able to see. How do I defend? How do I do this? How does one defend mineral when one doesn't know how to do it? Oh, that's how I do it. Did I kill him? No, I did not. Okay. Oh, there's a mineral button? I got the mineral. Mineral, okay. Oh.